How to use the POS Sales by Product report. The Sales by Product report is a breakdown of sales based on the products you have set up in your Flipdish POS inventory management module. Please note you will need to be a staff member with back office app permissions to access this report. So first, log into your point of sale back office with your email address and password. Then click on the business or store name in the top right drop-down. Selecting the business name will aggregate the sales data for all stores. Selecting the store name will filter data for that store only. Then click Reports in the left-hand panel. Then click Inventory. Then click Sales by Product. Then add your date period and click the search icon. The Sales by Product report is helpful in understanding products sold during a set period of time, so you can better manage your inventory through purchase orders. When filtering and grouping, this report will default group by category, product, and date. Along with being able to remove filters using the X button to the right of the filter, you can also drag and drop the columns to change the order. You can add and remove columns and filters using the columns and filters buttons on the right-hand side of the page. To learn more about your Flipdish point of sale, go to help.flipdish.com or contact us on help@flipdish.com. Thanks for watching.